we need to check our fridge. How the fridge doing? Oh my goodness. Right, because I'm working Monday to Friday and I don't have time for everything really. But this time I'm gonna make time. Look at this fridge on the side, which is not appetizing. Right, everything on top of each other. Now, I'm going to sort this out. To organize this fridge is not really hard. It's very easy, but just need a little bit of organizing, really. Right, so let's start and do all these things that need to go and things that need to be in here. We're gonna need to check all the expiration, and some vegetables we need to see if they're still okay. Now the freezer that we need to see what is doing. Oh my word. You'll see. We need to check it first. Drawer full. My god, that need to sort out, you know. Oh my goodness, I can't close it. Oh, second drawer. Oh my god, this is really heavy. I need to sort that out. And as you can see on top here, there's no space really. It's not good in a freezer. Oh, the meat need to be sorted out. And oh, this is our vegetable drawer. And this one needs to sort. And this one needs to sort out as well. There's a little bit space, which is we need to eat some of these, because as you can see, it's full and it needs to be organized. I'm gonna use all this container for organizing my fridge and freezer. This container is a good idea and to maximize all your food in your fridge and freezer. All been cleaned and just need to dry it. This drawer needs to be out, and this one. Now we need to get all of this out of here to organize and make space for all of this. Now we're going to take everything into these containers, and then we'll see how much we could save the space. seafoods collection. So we got loads of seafoods in here, and also this one, mussels, my favorite mussels. Eggs as well. So we put the eggs in this container because this is my favorite egg container. All organized now. I like it that it's organized and really presentable. Now everything is in these containers. Now we need to put in the freezer. So all hot dogs, bacon and sausage is now in their containers. Now let's put everything in. Let's open it. It changed. Oh, look at that. A lot better, nicer, very organized. And everything is in place. The vegetables, meat, chocolates, of course. Everything is organized. Got wine there and champagne on the side, my kimchi. Everything organized, the fruits. I like this. And also on this side, this is much better. And the other side, a lot better as well. We always have 2 milk. Right, that is better. Look at that, nice and organized. Those are the boxes that I removed from my freezer. Look at those. There's a lot of boxes buying from the shop. So I decided to put in my container. And if you don't have container, you can put in freezer bag. It's okay. Just make space on your freezer.
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.